Cognitive restructuring is a psychological technique used to identify and change negative thought patterns that contribute to stress, anxiety, and other emotional difficulties. It is based on the idea that thoughts influence emotions and behaviors, meaning that altering irrational or unhelpful thoughts can lead to more positive outcomes. This process involves recognizing distorted thinking, challenging inaccurate beliefs, and replacing them with more realistic and balanced perspectives. Cognitive restructuring is commonly used in cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, to help individuals develop healthier ways of interpreting situations. Now let's explore the origin of cognitive restructuring. Cognitive restructuring emerged as part of cognitive behavioral therapy, which was developed in the mid-20th century by psychologists such as Aaron Beck and Albert Ellis. Beck's cognitive therapy introduced the idea that automatic negative thoughts contribute to emotional distress, while Ellis's rational emotive behavior therapy emphasized challenging irrational beliefs. These ideas formed the foundation of cognitive restructuring, which is now widely used in therapy and self-help strategies. Over time, the technique has been refined and adapted for various psychological treatments, helping individuals develop more constructive thinking patterns. Now let's look at some examples of cognitive restructuring in action. Cognitive restructuring can be applied in everyday situations to challenge negative thinking. For example, if a student believes, "I always fail at math," they can identify this as an overgeneralization and reframe it to, "I've struggled with math before, but I can improve with practice." In the workplace, an employee who thinks, "My boss didn't say hello, so they must be upset with me," can reevaluate the situation and consider alternative explanations, such as their boss being busy. Another example is someone with social anxiety replacing thoughts like, "Everyone is judging me," with, "People are probably focused on their own conversations." These examples show how cognitive restructuring helps individuals develop more balanced and rational thinking. Now let's examine some strengths of this approach. One major strength of cognitive restructuring is that it helps individuals gain control over their thoughts, reducing feelings of helplessness and emotional distress. Another advantage is that it promotes long-term resilience, as people learn to challenge negative thinking on their own, even after therapy ends. Additionally, cognitive restructuring is supported by extensive research showing that it is effective in treating anxiety, depression, and stress-related disorders. Because of these benefits, cognitive restructuring is widely used in both clinical therapy and self-help strategies to improve mental well-being. Now let's look at some weaknesses of this technique. Despite its effectiveness, cognitive restructuring has some limitations. One challenge is that it requires consistent effort and practice, as changing deeply ingrained thought patterns does not happen overnight. Another issue is that some individuals may struggle to identify their distorted thoughts, especially if they are not used to analysing their thinking habits. Additionally, cognitive restructuring may not be sufficient for severe mental health conditions, where deeper emotional or biological factors contribute to distress. While cognitive restructuring is a powerful tool, these limitations highlight the importance of combining it with other therapeutic techniques when needed. Now let's explore an alternative approach to cognitive restructuring. An alternative to cognitive restructuring is mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, which focuses on observing thoughts without judgment rather than changing them. Another approach is acceptance and commitment therapy, which encourages individuals to accept negative thoughts while focusing on values-based actions. Solution-focused therapy is also an alternative, emphasizing problem-solving and practical strategies instead of analyzing thought patterns. While cognitive restructuring works by challenging and replacing negative thoughts, these alternatives provide different ways to manage thinking and emotions effectively.